Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actions now. You check model and firmware, backup current settings, and ensure a stable network connection so the update won't fail. Once done, you plug the device into power and close apps that interfere. You export any custom profiles or contact lists to avoid data loss. Make sure you record passwords and admin access. This prevents lockouts mid-update. Now you're ready to fetch the update package and initiate the install. You now run the complex middle steps required to upgrade smart communication. Start by downloading the official update and verifying its integrity with checksum or signature so you avoid corrupted installs. Once verified, begin the staged installation and watch prompts. Do not interrupt reboots because partial installs create instability. You monitor progress through logs and status indicators, and keep remote access ready in case you must intervene. If prompted, migrate or map settings to the new schema to preserve behavior. You finish by validating the update and completing final steps. Run end-to-end tests, send and receive messages, verify contact sync, and exercise integrations so you confirm functionality. Once satisfied, restore exported settings selectively and compare performance and latency against baseline to catch regressions. If systems look stable, document the new version and inform stakeholders. If something goes wrong, try the one-key troubleshooting tip. Roll back to the previous firmware or reapply the update image.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.